Okay, this is me getting ready to do my first lesson. Okay, what do I do? Can you see me?
What?
You have to watch it this way, babe. I'm over here. Okay.
I ain't worried about that.
All right, what do I do?
Well, you're in park.
Okay, so what do I do? Press
No,
this?
you got to start the car first.
I have to put my foot on the brake
No,
first, right?
no.
No?
Just start the car.
Start the car how? Oh.
Once it starts, you let go of the key.
Okay.
No, you push it all the way down. Is it running? Okay. All right. Now you put the foot on the brake.
On the
brake.
Okay.
All right. Now, park. You're in park. It's going to
Okay.
go to neutral. It's going to go to reverse right to neutral. You want to go to neutral.
What do I press? Upward
Just pull it
to neutral.
No.
Okay.
Now you're going to drive. You put it in D.
Okay. Put it in D
D is for drive.
and keep my foot on the brake.
Yes.
Okay.
While
If
you
I
do
take my foot off the brake, am I going to drive?
that, you'll probably move a little bit. Yes.
But it won't foom.
No.
Okay. All right, Jesus.
Okay. Take your foot off the brake.
I'm scared.
Take your foot off the brake.
Will I go? I move fast?
Take your foot off the brake. If it goes too fast, you put your foot back on the brake.
Okay.
All
Now
right.
what do I do?
Give it a little gas.
A little bit.
Yeah. Wait a minute. What's...
My foot was on the gas.
Does it say D up there?
No, it's on neutral. Oh.
You got to put this in
Oh, okay.
drive.
Now it's in drive.
Okay.
All right, let go. Wait,
Yeah.
let's.
Take your foot off the brake. See, it's moving a little bit. Just leave it go like that. Steer
Let
it.
it go.
Yeah. Till you're comfortable with it.
Okay.
Turn your wheel a little so you know what's
Towards
going
you?
on.
Okay. I'm in the middle. I'm doing okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
You want to give it a little gas? Go ahead.
I'm scared. Okay. Now do I turn
Yeah,
in the
you
wide open space?
Turn.
A
yeah,
little bit?
to your right.
Okay. Do I let go of the wheel?
Turn hard.
I don't want to turn too hard.
Okay. All right. Then.
Okay. I did good?
Yeah.
Okay. Now we're focusing on driving straight. I bring it back to the left a little bit?
Yep.
Okay. How am I doing? Okay. And keep it in the middle now, right?
Yep.
I guess I could put a little bit of gas on. Not too much, though. I put a little bit.
Well, till you feel comfortable.
Well, God forbid I don't want to
All
go
right.
flying.
Well, you gotta get used to the gas pedal. You know? All right. Turn around. Turn right.
Turn right.
Yeah.
Not a
So you-
sharp right. Am I turning too fast?
No.
Okay. There's cars up ahead of me.
Okay.
So let me slow down and come in the middle. The middle. Okay. Is that I'm doing good?
Yeah.
Let's see if I can drive
Go
down this
between
path.
these two lines.
Yep. I'm doing good driving between the
I
lines.
don't know.
I need to turn now because I'm driving in traffic. There's cars ahead of me. What should I do?
Wait till you get by this car.
Okay.
Turn.
And then turn.
You're gonna turn to the right.
Okay. Past this car. Now.
Put that lever on your left. Put it up.
Oh,
Your
what
turn
lever?
signal.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll turn it.
Yes.
Okay.
All right. Now what do I do?
Well, what do you want to do?
I don't know. I don't
Go
want to
around
go.
in a circle
Keep
again.
going around.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I'm going a little fast on the gas. Let me
Oh,
slow
yeah.
down.
Get used to it.
Yeah, but I don't want to go crazy.
Well,
Okay. Now we're back in track. Turn
stay
the signal
between these
off.
lines.
Okay. Between these two, right?
Yeah.
Okay. A little more gas on. All right, I'm doing it. Let's stay in between these two lines, right? See,
Yes.
because what if I'm on the track? Okay. So I'm doing good?
Yeah.
Okay. And when should I turn?
When you're comfortable where you want to turn.
I don't know how wide I should turn though.
All right, turn.
Oh wait, let me take my foot off. Ooh, that was turning.
No, sometimes you're better off putting a little gas when you turn. You'll turn easier.
I don't know. I'd be afraid.
You forgot to signal.
Oh, sorry. So a lot to remember. I don't know if I should drive with my glasses. What do you
Yes,
think?
you should,
Oh, I
because
should?
they, yeah.
Okay, I'm coming to this, so I stop. Not fast, because we don't want to jerk. Okay, now what do I do?
Well, you gotta turn again.
Let me see.